everybody, Tracy here from Dancers UK. We've just finished teaching our Friday feeling class, and here are the moves that you need to remember and practice for Incredible by Gary Barlow. So we start with the verses. It's a Charleston style, so you slide and tap and tap and slide and tap and tap and slide and tap and tap, and then run round, kicking your bum. So your arms just circle in and your heels kick your bum. And then you repeat it again on the other side. So it's slide and tap and tap and slide and tap and tap, slide, tap and run round. Fantastic. Next section. Your arms come up and they're going like this. And in and in and in. And your feet are shunting forward and back and forward and back and forward and back and forward and back. So with the arms and the feet together, it looks like this. And jump, and jump, and jump. Then you go, tip your heel, clip your heel, clip your heel, clip your heel. Then we get to the chorus. Chorus is about kicking your legs. So you kick to the side, single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double, and then you step out and bring it together, and step out and bring it together. Your arms are going in and out, and you look like a crab. So that all repeats again, that whole stuff from there, on the other side, and slide, and tap, and run round, and again, and slide, and tap, and slide, and tap, and slide, and tap, and run round. And it's the jumps again, jump, and jump, jump. Yeah? You've got this. Heels, 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 heels. Chorus with the kicks. And single and double. And single, single and double. And then you go out, out, in, out, in. And sometimes you repeat it again, depending on what bit of the song you're in. Then the middle bit, one more section to learn, then you know all the moves. The middle bit is Charleston. So you step forward, tap front, step back, tap back. And in the music, it's low, and it's sort of not much energy, you just keep it low, and without any swivel. And then as more instruments join, and the music builds, you start to get bigger. And then you add the swivel, and you do the Charleston basic step. Fantastic. And then it goes back into the chorus to the end of the track. So that's single, single, double, and out, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. They're all the moves that you need for Incredible by Gary Barlow. Have fun with it, and I hope to see you in class soon. Bye.